1. Hyponatremia refers to low levels of which electrolyte? A. Calcium. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. D. Chloride. Answer: B. Sodium. 2. Which electrolyte plays a major role in muscle contraction and nerve transmission? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Bicarbonate. Answer: B. Potassium. 3. Hyperkalemia means an elevated level of A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Magnesium. Answer: B. Potassium. 4. Which electrolyte is essential for blood clotting and bone formation? A. Calcium. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. D. Chloride. Answer: A. Calcium. 5. Which electrolyte helps maintain acid-base balance as a major extracellular anion? A. Chloride. B. Bicarbonate. C. Phosphate. D. Sulfate. Answer: A. Chloride. 6. Hypocalcemia may cause which of the following symptoms? A. Muscle weakness. B. Tetany, muscle spasms. C. Bradycardia. D. Hypertension. Answer: B. 7. Magnesium primarily functions as a cofactor for A. Enzymes involved in energy metabolism. B. Blood clotting proteins. C. Hormone synthesis. D. Oxygen transport. Answer: A. 8. Which hormone regulates sodium and potassium balance? A. Insulin. B. Aldosterone. C. Thyroxine. D. Cortisol. Answer: B. Aldosterone. 9. The normal serum potassium range is approximately A. 1.5–3.0 mg/L. B. 3.5–5.0 mg/L. C. 5.5–7.0 mg/L. D. 7.5–9.0 mg/L. Answer: B. 3.5–5.0 mg/L. 10. Which electrolyte imbalance is commonly caused by dehydration? A. Hypernatremia. B. Hyponatremia. C. Hyperkalemia. D. Hypercalcemia. Answer: A. Hypernatremia. 11. Bicarbonate ions are primarily responsible for A. Oxygen transport. B. Acid-base buffering in the blood. C. Muscle contraction. D. Nerve impulse transmission. Answer: B. 12. Which electrolyte is mainly intracellular? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Chloride. D. Calcium. Answer: B. Potassium. 13. Hyperkalemia can lead to A. Cardiac arrhythmias. B. Increased reflexes. C. Hyperactive muscles. D. Hypertension. Answer: A. Cardiac arrhythmias. 14. Which of the following electrolytes is important for ATP energy production? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Magnesium. D. Calcium. Answer: C. Magnesium. 15. Which electrolyte is vital for the transmission of nerve impulses and muscle contraction? A. Chloride. B. Calcium. C. Phosphate. D. Sulfate. Answer: B. Calcium. 16. Which electrolyte imbalance is most likely in a patient with chronic kidney disease? A. Hyperkalemia. B. Hyponatremia. C. Hypocalcemia. D. Hypermagnesemia. Answer: A. Hyperkalemia. 17. Chloride ions often follow which cation to maintain electrical neutrality? A. Calcium. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. D. Magnesium. Answer: B. Sodium. 18. Hypercalcemia can cause A. Muscle cramps. B. Constipation and kidney stones. C. Tetany. D. Hypotension. Answer: B. 19. Which electrolyte deficiency can cause prolonged QT interval on ECG? A. Hyperkalemia. B. Hypocalcemia. C. Hypernatremia. D. Hypermagnesemia. Answer: B. Hypocalcemia. 20. The primary organ responsible for electrolyte regulation is The. A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Heart. D. Lungs. Answer: B. Kidney. 21. Phosphate plays a key role in A. Muscle contraction. B. Bone formation and energy storage. C. Oxygen transport. D. Nerve impulse transmission. Answer: B. 22. Which electrolyte is decreased in Addison's disease? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Calcium. D. Chloride. Answer A. Sodium. 23. Which electrolyte imbalance causes peaked T waves on an ECG? A. Hyperkalemia. B. Hyperkalemia. C. Hypocalcemia. D. Hypernatremia. Answer B. Hyperkalemia. 24. Which electrolyte is a major component of gastric acid? A. Sodium. B. Potassium. C. Chloride. D. Calcium. Answer C. Chloride. 25. Which electrolyte is important for maintaining cell membrane potential? A. Sodium and potassium. B. Calcium and phosphate. C. Magnesium and chloride. D. Bicarbonate and sulfate. Answer A. 26. Hypomagnesemia is commonly associated with A. Hypertension. B. Muscle cramps and seizures. C. Bradycardia. D. Constipation. Answer B. 27. Aldosterone causes A. Sodium retention and potassium excretion. B. Potassium retention and sodium excretion. C. Calcium retention. D. Magnesium excretion. Answer A. 28. Which electrolyte imbalance may cause cardiac arrest? A. Hyperkalemia. B. Hyperkalemia. C. Hypernatremia. D. Hypocalcemia. Answer B. Hyperkalemia. 29. Which electrolyte is the most abundant cation in the extracellular fluid? A. Potassium. B. Sodium. C. Calcium. D. Magnesium. Answer B. Sodium. 30. Hypernatremia refers to low levels of which electrolyte? A. Calcium. B. Sodium. C. Potassium. D. Chloride. Answer B. Sodium.